Alright guys, this is solving equations graphically using a graphing calculator. Now, I know a lot of you guys don't have graphing calculators. Do not panic. We got it under control. Okay? So, here's the equation that they're giving you. What you guys need to look at this as, and I'll show you how to use the graphing calculator here in a second. This is two equations. This is one, this is the other one. Okay, so you're going to have y equals the first one. You're going to have the second one. Okay. Now that you have those, here's the next step. Open up your browser. Okay. You're going to open up a new tab. In the top, you're going to type Desmos, D-E-S-M-O-S. I'm going to write that on the board for you. Okay. You'll click on Graphing Calculator. Now we're into Desmos. Okay, that's D-E-S-M-O-S. This will do all your work for you guys. You guys just have to type the equations in. Okay, so in our first box, okay, we're going to type in 4x. Okay, come down here. We want an exponent, so we're going to click AB. We're going to square it, okay, and we bump over minus 16x, okay, plus 13, okay. That's going to graph that equation for you. Okay, if we come over here, we can zoom out so we can see that, okay. Now we're going to get into the second one, okay. So what you want to do, you're going to come down here. It's 3, so we're going to put 3. Now you go to functions, okay? We want log we want the log A. So you go over here to miscellaneous. We want log A because there's a number at the bottom. So log A, it's going to bump you down here to the bottom. The number that you want to put there is 2. You're going to bounce over into the parentheses. You'll put your X, you'll close your parentheses, okay? Or you can put the parenthesis there, okay? That'll give you that. Now if you look over here at your graph, you have two things, okay? So we're done with that. What we're looking for is an X value of where they intersect, okay? So if you zoom in over here, you can see they intersect right here. You put your dot on it. We're just going to round, guys. Okay? So the first X value, and it tells you that on your thing. Your first X value is X is somewhat, we want the X value, we're going to round up. So it's going to be 1.1. Okay? Now it's going to ask you, and this is what it's asking you.
Teachers, the tables are ready in the cafeteria. You don't need to put things outside my office. Everything's in alphabetical
Thomas
order.
Ward High,
just place your
interrupting us.
Work, your hard copies by your name. We'll be down there if you have any other questions.
Okay, now you're just going to scroll over here so you can find where they intersect again. So we're going to come up here. We're going to put a dot there, and it's going to tell us exactly what it is. 3.45. Okay, let me check this and make sure that that I tell you guys the right answer for that one and that we round the correct way. Okay. 3.4, yes, so we're going to round down. So it's 3.44, so that would round down. So your X value would be 3.4, okay? So for these guys, go to Desmos, okay? It's free. Use this to help you graph it, and all you're trying to find out is where do those graphs intersect, okay?